Hello guys, this gonna be an HD remake video. This brushed nickel Hampton Montgomery 2 ceiling fan installed in my dog's room at my house in the Snow White dog's room. See? This dog's Snow White. And he's sitting on a blue bed because blue goes with white. And it matches these windows and this tower fan. And probably that blanket right here. We got this fan from Home Depot in September of last year. And then we installed it in the next week of September. And it works pretty good. It's brushed nickel with wood blades. It's 3-blade. Feels like an industrial fan because of the blades. It's 3-bladed. It feels like a 3-blade industrial, but with a light and with pull chains. Yeah, I have these chains on here because they match the fan. So here's two sides. Yeah, I picked this side because I thought it looked good. Here's the switch right here. Winter, reverse, summer, forward. That switch is pretty hard. Anyways, here's the top of the fan. There's where you mount the blades. Alright, now let's get to the demonstration. Excuse me. Alright, time for demonstration. Start with the light. That works. I have 2 daylight LED bulbs in there. And we'll turn the fan on. We'll start up on low. So my dog looks at it. He looked at it like when I was doing the first video. This dog's yawn. He was looking at this fan. Alright, we'll put up to medium. Alright, now we'll crank it up to high. And my dog is looking up at it. That's the reaction to my dog of the ceiling fan right here. This thing blows a lot of air. This thing is so powerful. And it's blowing all the hair everywhere in this room right here. And we'll shut it off. And that is it. An HD remake video of the Hampton Montgomery 2 installed in my dog's room at my house. Thank you guys for watching.